Hi everyone. Today I want to share a tip about testimonials. So in the past, I have talked about how to get great testimonials from your clients and how important they are for social proof. But today I want to talk about how to make your testimonials stand out. So when you do have these great testimonials, how to make them actually pop on the page so that people want to stop and read them. So I'm going to do it a little bit differently. And I'm going to share my screen and show you a before and after of how to go about optimizing your testimonials so they can really help conversions. So let's share the screen. So here we have a testimonial that I have created. So this was the original. It's for my website Words Workshop. The testimonial reads, the website Words Workshop with Eleanor was fantastic. I have noticed my confidence in writing my copy has increased. The template, strategy, and framework is clear and easy to apply. And Eleanor has taken out the overwhelm by focusing on the essentials of good copy. And then it's for the person it's from. Now, as you can see, the words themselves are great. It's a really, really great testimonial, but you don't really feel like you can take in what it says. It's very hard to read because it's all in one block. It's all together. So the first thing I want you to always do when you're creating testimonials is create a title. Always create a title for your testimonial. So all I've done is I've taken this sentence from within my testimonial and used it as my title. That's absolutely fine. You do not need to create a new title. Just pull out something that's your reader would take notice about, something they might be finding challenging, something they might want, something they might desire, and use that as your title. So that's a title here. I've then taken the whole thing and just bolded out the words that I really want people to understand and read. So instead of just having the whole thing as one format, I've taken some of the most interesting or most the words that people are going to be most interested in reading, and I've bolded them out. So clear and easy to apply, taken out the overwhelm. I know my reader is going to be really interested to read that. And I've taken the person who's written its name away from the rest of the copy. So you can see in the original, it just kind of follows on and you feel like there's no separation there. So take the person away. Obviously, bonus points if you add in a photo of that person. I can't do that on this Word doc to show you, but definitely if you can include a photo in a circle next to the person's name, so that really adds credibility. But you can see here how if I show you the two, which one do you want to read? Which one pops out at you and which one is most valuable on your page to help aid conversions? So I hope you found that little tutorial on testimonials interesting and helpful today. It's really, really quick win for you. You can just spend 10 minutes going through your testimonials on your website, on your sales pages, wherever you're using them, give them all a title and change the formatting so you're bolding out some of the words you really want them to see. And also take the person who's written the testimonials name away from the body text so that they sit separately. And it's going to make it infinitely easier to read and infinitely better in terms of engagement and conversions.